Did you know that 22 Miles offers thousands of pre-designed templates that you can simply customize and make your own? Choose your platform, a hot tag. You can preview these templates to see what they will look like live on your displays. And then all you have to do is save the template. From your dynamic slide project base, select Edit to pop into our Quick Edit, which will allow you to customize the background, add in your logo, change any text to whatever you would like it to say. These quick edits can be set up and customized to allow for any edits we would like to be able to make. Now just simply save and you are good to go.